A month after work should have started at the Dunbeholden Football Club, things are now in full gear as work started 2 weeks ago with November 15 set as the completion date for the Portmore-based club to bring Premier League football to the community.
We'll be getting an early Christmas present for the fans of Dunbeholden. We should be in before December. As you can see, the field was just cut. We are in the process of seeding and refertilizing and picking and digging out the bad weeds, and the progress is going on very well, very fine. Well, it will be completed before the 15th of November. So as soon as the stands are erected, then we should be good for the home game for the people of Dunbeholden. This is the referee changing room, and this will be the public male and female dress room here. Yeah. This is the changing room for the home and the visiting team. And there'll be a media area there between the stands over there also when everything is completed. The fans and the people of the community, they are very elated. They are behind the project 100%. The actual maintenance and all the work on the field has been done voluntarily by the people of the community. And they are here, they are full of anticipation, their energy is high. This is something new for the community. They have always watched the Premier League on the television. Now the whole experience is coming home to us in Dunbeholden. So the people of Dunbeholden, they are really looking forward with anticipation. It initially will start at 1,000-seater, and hopefully we should expand over time. But initially it will start at 1,000 seating capacity. It's a joy to see it coming into fruition. It's really a joy to see it's all happening. As you can see over there, this is one of the main groundsmen. He's over there raking and picking up the seed and all of that. So day by day, it's like you have your baby and you're watching it grow over time. It gives you so much insurmountable joy. Words can't explain how the people, every single day, the people of Dunbeholden, all they talk about is how the stand, the progression of the stand, the progression of the changing facilities, and they're seeing it happening in front of their eyes. So it's a joyful feeling for them. We have two entrances. Over there we'll be having one for the walking patrons and one for the driving patrons. There'll be a parking area behind the stands, and we are trying to create a training area for the also behind the game, because there's a whole lot of space over there. There's a whole agricultural space over there. So let me use the opportunity to say a special thanks to Mr. Donovan Witter for believing in us from day one. He was the one who basically, when over Dunbeholden was a cane track, he personally went to the Portmore municipality. They told him that Dunbeholden is not in Portmore. And he went to Spanish Town. They told him that Dunbeholden is not in Spanish Town, so they can't enter into the Spanish Town competition also. And he didn't stop. He persevered. They did research, and he eventually found out that Dunbeholden was actually in the Portmore landscape. And now here we are in the top flight in Jamaican football, and we are now aiming for the top 6 and take it from there. And the dream is still alive, and we're still hoping for greater things. And we learned this lesson from this experience that, listen, don't be afraid to dream, and don't be afraid to work hard towards your dream, and it can become a reality. And right now, the Dunbeholden Sports Complex is a living testimony of dreaming, and it is happening.
Leo Gordon, a member of their under-20 squad, has also played his part in helping to make the work easier.
They didn't ask me to volunteer. I wanted to because on the first day, they called me. Say, yeah, I come help because the community want to make it better and place look better.